Our environment is put in a tough spot due to our mindless use of natural resources and our extreme lifestyle. Consequently, global warming has been rising at alarming rates. Are you wondering if it's World Environment Day or something? Talking about the environment just on World Environment Day and carrying on with our usual habits the rest of the year does no good to anyone. The COVID-19 lockdown period has shown us how nature can heal the damages we have caused only if we reduce the unwanted travel. I agree that it is a tough solution, but there are many other ways in which you can save your money as well as be environment friendly. Conscious practice of these methods can help the environment big time. Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax, and here are 6 ways in which you can save environment as well as some bucks for yourself. 1. Saving on fuel costs. India has been a large importer of petroleum for decades now. The ever-rising fuel prices have been a burden on citizens. To save on fuel costs as well as reduce a little carbon footprint from your end, you can try turning off the vehicle when you are waiting in a traffic signal or a traffic jam. Carpooling with colleagues and friends will save you from long boring rides and will reduce the fuel spent by each one of you separately. For your information, there are carpooling apps that suggest people who are looking to travel the same direction as you and will pay you for each ride. Taking a walk to a nearby store if you are not in a hurry. Choosing public transport whenever possible. 2. Recycling e-waste. Instead of throwing your old gadgets and electronic waste in a garbage bin, you can choose to recycle them. You may earn 30 to 50% of the original price of the gadget if you choose to recycle. You can also try selling the items in retail electronic markets so they can reuse the spare parts. 3. Saying no to one-time use plastic. Plastic is a non-biodegradable substance that is causing a lot of harm to our home, the earth. Though we cannot think of a world without plastic at once, we can still make an effort to stay away from one-time use plastic. Here are some ideas on how you can achieve it. Carry your own mug or tumbler to take away beverages. Carry your own water bottles when you go around. Carry your own shopping bags that is made of cloth or paper and reduce using plastic bags. 4. Reducing paper waste. Countless trees have been cut down to date to manufacture paper. We can reduce the cutting down of trees through reusable napkins, recycling paper, and mostly by dropping the custom of printing every document on paper in businesses. It will be appreciated if we can go digital and rely on emails and soft copies for records and bills. 5. Using energy efficient appliances. Choose energy efficient electronic and electrical appliances, that is, those with a 5-star. They consume less energy and reduce your electricity bills. Also, LED bulbs consume 50% less energy as compared to CFL bulbs. LED lights have a comparatively longer life. So make your choice wisely. 6. Go solar. Solar energy can be considered as a reliable source of energy for households and street lightings. The government provides support for you to adopt them. Though it is a one-time investment, you can see a drastic change in your electricity bills and can boast of using natural energy. Well, that's more. Make judicious use of water and electricity. If possible, install a rainwater harvesting system at home. Wait until you have one load full of clothes for washing rather than using the washing machine for just a few clothes. Turn off your computer after the day's work. Use rechargeable batteries. Plant a sapling in your terrace or garden. In the worst case, you can go for an indoor plant. All these measures, if followed consciously, will contribute a tiny bit to improve the environment. Going environment friendly can be pocket friendly as well. So, go ahead, like and share this video. Also, let us know in the comments if you have been following any of these measures and have been saving money. Better still, you can let us know which of these measures you found useful. Thank you.